Meaning of John Foster Dulles.
John Foster Dulles.
John Foster Dulles.
John Foster Dulles.
John Foster Dulles. John Foster Dulles was an American diplomat and politician who served as the 52nd United States Secretary of State from 1953 to 1959 under President Dwight D. Eisenhower. He was a leading figure in the early Cold War era, advocating for a policy of containment toward the Soviet Union and its allies. The term Dulles Doctrine came to be associated with his belief in the use of brinkmanship, or the willingness to risk war in order to protect American interests. He also played a major role in shaping U.S. foreign policy in Asia, Africa, and the Middle East during his tenure as Secretary of State.